civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the entire state of Delaware. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wilmington Police Department, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, and the United States government. This is not a test. At approximately 2:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NOAA satellites reported that 4 burning objects were reportedly falling towards the following locations across Wilmington: the Brandywine Creek, the Brandywine Zoo, the Peter Spencer Plaza and the Kirkwood Park. It is currently unclear what these objects are, but civil authorities believe that these are similarly related to the recent incident in Pittsburgh. The president has been informed of the situations in Pittsburgh and Wilmington. He is expected to give a speech in about 3 hours. As for residents of the following suburbs: Compton Village, Cool Spring, Trinity Vicinity and Brandywine Village, you are expected to do the following for your safety. Do not go outside, lock all doors and windows, keep your blinds shut, remain calm, stay out of sight, have a weapon with you at all times, and keep all electronic devices off, including cell phones, televisions, and computer systems. It is still unclear at this time what or who was in the objects, but residents have reportedly heard banging coming from within these meteor-like objects in 20 to 25 mysteriously slender, presumably humanoid figures with either red or gray skin, with 4 reportedly having sharp horns on their heads and similar in height and build with demons, are now heading towards the following locations: the mayor's office, the Old Town Hall, the Louisville Reading City County Building, the Cool Spring Park, and the Padua Academy. Residents of the following suburbs: Hilltop, Little Italy, Trolley Square, 40 Acres and Baynard Village are advised to take extra precautions in case these creatures find you, and if they do, your life may be in extreme danger. The mayor is currently being evacuated to an undisclosed location. The Wilmington Police Department is currently investigating this matter. Stay tuned to